How to remove default clothes in Roblox avatar. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can remove default clothes in Roblox avatar. For this, you want to open up any web browser and head over to roblox.com. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, click on these three lines at the top left corner of your screen and click on the avatar option. Once you land on this is your default clothes. Now, if you want to remove that, you simply want to click on the recent option and then click on all. Now, you simply want to deselect all of the clothing items over here. Once you have deselected all the default clothes, next thing you want to do is click on head and body option. From here, you want to select skin tone. Now you want to select any neutral skin tone such as white color. Once you have selected that, you can also select the skin tone color of any other body parts. After that is done, you can head back, and in this way you can remove the default clothes in Roblox avatar. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.